Hello, my English students. Our topic today is Unit 15, Past Perfect, I had done. Let's get it started.
Quyidagi vaziyatni o'rganing.
Sara o'tgan hafta bir bazmga bordi. Pol ham o'sha bazmga bordi, lekin ular bir-birini ko'rmadilar. Pol uyiga 10:30 da ketdi. Sara esa bazmga soat 11 da keldi. Demak,
When Sarah arrived at the party, Paul wasn't there.
Sara bazmga kelganida, Pol u yerda yo'q edi.
He had gone home.
U uyiga ketib bo'lgandi.
Had gone, past perfect.
O'tgan tugallangan zamonning yasalish shakli.
They had seen.
Ular ko'rib bo'lishgan edi.
She had finished.
U tugatib bo'lgan edi.
Past perfect simple.
Ning yasalish shakli.
Had plus past participle.
Ya'ni o'tgan zamon sifatdoshi. Ba'zida gap o'tmishda sodir bo'lgan narsalar haqida boradi.
Sarah arrived at the party.
Sara bazmga keldi.
Bu hikoyaning boshlang'ich nuqtasi. Unda bu vaqtdan oldin sodir bo'lgan narsalar haqida gapirilgandi.
Past perfect had done.
Qo'llaniladi.
When Sarah arrived at the party, Paul had already gone home.
Sara bazmga kelganida, Pol allaqachon uyiga ketib bo'lgandi.
Yana bir qancha misollar.
When we got home last night, we found that we had left the lights on.
Kecha kechda uyga kelganimizda chiroqlarni yoniq qoldirganimizni ko'rdik.
Biz uyga keldik, chiroq yoniq edi. Ya'ni biz chiroqni ketishimizdan oldin yoqib ketgan edik.
Karen didn't want to come to the cinema with us because she had already seen the film.
Karen biz bilan kinoga tushmoqchi emasdi, chunki u filmni allaqachon ko'rib bo'lgandi. U filmni taklifimizni rad etishidan oldin ko'rib bo'lgan.
The man sitting next to me on the plane was very nervous. He hadn't flown before. He had never flown before.
Samolyotda yonimda o'tirgan odam juda hayajonlanardi. U ilgari hech samolyotda uchmagan edi. O'sha safargi parvozidan oldin hech uchmagan edi.
At first I thought I'd done the right thing, but I soon realized that I'd made a big mistake.
Avvaliga men to'g'ri ish qildim deb o'yladim, lekin tez orada katta xato qilganimni angladim.
Have done, present perfect.
Hozirgi tugallangan zamonning o'tgan zamon shakli bu.
Had done, past perfect.
O'tgan tugallangan zamon. Taqqoslang.
Who is that woman? I've never seen her before.
U ayol kim? Uni oldin hech ko'rmaganman.
I didn't know who she was. I'd never seen her before.
Uning kimligini bilmas edim. Uni oldin hech ko'rmagan edim.
O'sha vaqtdan oldin. O'tgan tugallangan zamon o'tmishdagi biror voqeadan oldingi voqeani tasvirlash uchun qo'llaniladi. Ushbu misolda men o'tmishda bir ayolning kimligini bilmadim va uni o'sha bilmashimdan oldin hech ko'rmagan edim. Sodda qilib aytganda, bu zamonni o'tgan zamon desa bo'ladi. Yana misollar.
Present perfect, I have done. Past perfect, I had done.
We aren't hungry. We've just had lunch.
Och emasmiz. Hozirgina tushlik qildik.
We weren't hungry. We just had lunch.
Biz och emas edik. Endigina tushlik qilgandik.
The house is dirty. You haven't cleaned it.
Uy iflos. Uni tozalamagansan.
The house was dirty. You hadn't cleaned it.
Uy iflos edi. Uni tozalamagan eding.
I can't log in. I have forgotten my password.
Men tizimga kira olmayapman. Men parolimni unutdim.
I couldn't log in. I had forgotten my password.
Men tizimga kira olmadim. Parolimni unutgan edim.
Endi.
Past perfect, I had done.
Va
Past simple, I did.
zamonlarini taqqoslang.
Past perfect, I had done. Past simple, I did.
Was Tom at the party when you arrived? Bazmga kelganingda Tom bor edimi?
No, he had already gone home.
Yo'q, u allaqachon uyiga ketib bo'lgandi.
Was Tom at the party when you arrived? Bazmga kelganingda Tom bor edimi?
Yes, but he went home soon afterwards.
Ha, lekin sal o'tmay u uyga ketdi. E'tibor bering, birinchi misolda Tom men bazmga kelishimdan oldin ketgan. Ikkinchi misolda esa Tom men kelganimdan keyin ketdi.
Kate had just got home when I phoned. She had been at her mother's house.
Men qo'ng'iroq qilganimda Kate endigina uyga qaytgan edi. U onasining uyida edi.
Kate wasn't at home when I phoned. She was at her mother's house.
Men qo'ng'iroq qilganimda Kate uyda emas edi. U onasining uyida edi.
Birinchi misolda Kate men qo'ng'iroq qilishimdan sal avvalroq uyga keldi, chunki onasining uyida edi. Ikkinchi misolda Kate men qo'ng'iroq qilgan vaqtimda uyda emas, onasining uyida edi. Bu misollarda qo'ng'iroq qilishimdan oldin va qo'ng'iroq qilgan vaqtimda degan joylariga e'tibor berish kerak. Shu bilan unit 15 o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Endi odatdagidek Lexika.uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli savollarga javob bering va olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring. Va albatta ushbu rolikka like qo'yib, komment yozish esingizdan chiqmasin. Bu bizga juda katta yordam beradi. Yaqinlaringiz va do'stlaringizga ham darslarimiz haqida xabar bering. Birgalikda o'rganish qiziqarliroq bo'ladi. Omad!